Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. Okay, in this section, I have material about the marketing information system. Marketing information system is part of my class, specific to introduction to marketing classes. So let's continue. Okay, before I explain more about the marketing information system, I have question. Why should marketing information system? Okay, well, as we know that in this era, all of the data we have, especially of company, has so much data, and it will help the company to make their decision, especially for the marketing strategy. And marketing information system will decrease unpoint or uninformed data that will possible negative effect to company about the data that a company has. So when the company or organization or institution has the marketing information system, perhaps it will help their strategy, especially for the marketing strategy, and it will help organization or company to grow well than before. So marketing information system is important now to do in every single company or organization. Well, what is the definition of the marketing information system? A marketing information system is the ideal approach for marketing information management. In short, this system is responsible for keeping your marketing information organized and actionable. So, in the marketing information system process, we have some searching about the data that will impact marketing strategy of organization or company. So it is so important. It is important for organization. Okay, what kind of marketing information system? We have three kind of marketing information system. The first one is internal data. Internal data refers data from or information from the company or the organization. Like in the company, we have data about the process in production, or we have data about the selling. So we have big data about our customer, about our production, about our financial information. So they are part of internal data. The second one of kind of marketing information system is competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence refer data from the third party, like the social media, or somehow company has their intelligence, and they has to search data from the social media about their competitor, about their customer, and it will make external data from the external data kind of marketing information system that will help a marketer to design their strategy. So competitive intelligence is one of the more important in the marketing information system. The third one is marketing research. Marketing research is a marketing information system that refers to the some activities that R&D do in the company, that they usually has the design of the research, and they have a question marketing that have to answer to their distribution or their customer, and it will make or it will help their organization to get better about the marketing strategy. And marketing research has some I think it the most costly the when we compare to other like internal data or competitive intelligence. So marketing research usually use in some division in this special division we call the R&D, research and development, and they always has the question about the there about the product of organization, product of company, about the price, how the competitor, how the customer response about the price, about the product design, or sometimes the marketing research do about the search the information about the competitor, about the perception of customer about their competitor, like this. So the integration of the three of marketing information system, it will make marketing information system has a good big data, while in both of internal and external information. So the benefits of customer information system. The first one is increased business understanding. Of course, if we have the marketing information system, well, we have data, we have some information about our customer, about our distribution, our supplier, our next customer, or maybe the ex-customer. It will help the organization to increase their business, like they have a good understanding about their strategy before and what they should do in the next time about the strategy in the business from the data in marketing information system. So the first one is increase business understanding. The second one is design and product insight. From the three kind of the marketing information system, we have some information like from both of internal and external information from for the organization or the company. So it will help our design and product better than before. We can know well about how the packaging well in our product better, so the customer will more interest about our product. So design and product insight will we got from the marketing information system that we have. The third one is internal team guidance. So marketing information system not only have the design about our product or the data about our customer, but it will help also in this team, as a team like marketing team. Of course, it will help the marketing team to more good strategy, to make good strategy in their marketing strategy. Like a marketer know well about their customer, about their positioning, about their product. So the marketing team will guidance well to grow well in their strategy. Also, it will help to operational team, like when marketing information system got from operational team, so operational team will can forecast well about how many the product that has to in the production in their process production. Yeah, so it will help the in operational team also. And for the example also for the financial team, it will guidance financial team, like the financial team know well about how the selling, how much the cost, how much the selling that company got. So finance team can forecast well also about budgeting, for example. Okay, for the fourth benefit of marketing information system is enhanced data access. So when we have marketing information system, we have the big data in our organization or our company about internal or external data, and it will help every division, every single leader in this division to get the data, like what the kind of the product that the most product that want from customer, or the most cost in this process in production. It will help the data to access from the marketing information system. The last one is when the sales and profits. Of course, it will help marketer to expand their sale and profit, because they know well about the what kind of the product that customer want, what kind of the price that customer want, what kind the distribution, what the most kind of distribution that customer wants. It will help the marketer to forecast the next expand from the product in this company. So there are benefit of marketing information system. The next is common challenges of marketing information management. Well, the first one is that data and security risk. It will relatable about data and security risk, and we know that in this era, when the company has the big data, company has the big risk about the security of the data. So marketer has to concern about the security of the risk of data, and maybe as the limitation of the access of the data, just the people can access of the data, because it will can be risk from the company or from the strategy in this company. So data and security risk has to be concerned from marketer. The second one is lack of resources. Well, creating marketing information management make more cost. We have to maintaining the data. We have to concern about the security of risk the data. So we have to maintaining the marketing information management process, and it will charge more about the money from the resource that a company needs. So if the company has lack of resources, it will make more challenge of the marketing or marketer that creating marketing information management process. So company has to make sure that the resources has enough to make the marketing information management system like this. The third one is maintaining cleaning data. As we know that in this in a company, in internal company, too many data that the marketer can got, yeah. But the challenge of the marketing information system is a marketer has to maintain and clean data, which one is the important data, which one is not important, or which one is not data that not need to input to our big data. So maintaining clean data to be one of challenging part of marketing information system. The fourth one is ethical and legal issues. Talking about the data, it relatable to how it will ethical or not ethical in the customer when the marketer or company got the data about their customer, about their profile customer. It will sometimes make ethical or not ethical. So make sure, so company has to make sure that their activity has to suitable about the regulation of the governance about the what the process that company can take the data from their customer, and company has to know well about the regulation, so the company has the right way to take the every single data from their customer. Well, the last one is human error. Talking about the data is related to the someone or people that operate the a system that pull the data, or so the human error will be uh, perhaps it will do in this system, in this marketing information system. So company has to concern about the human that provide about the data, human that uh, do about the system in this big data. Well, the last one is about the marketing information system. As we know that in company we have uh, we have to develop information from three kind of marketing information system: internal, marketing intelligence, and marketing research. But if we see in the more scope in this in a company, we can know about the it three kind of the information system marketing is part of the accessing information system needs. So after developing needs information of the three kind of the marketing information system, we can analyze and using information, and it will help marketing manager or other information user, and of course it will uh, help the organization to target the market, to marketing channel target, or the marketer know about the competitor, know about the public, know about the macro environment forces. So the marketing system information will help the company to get more effectively about their strategy in so many strategy in their company. And usually the marketing information system will help marketer make their decision about 4 Ps: product, price, promotion, and place well. So it will help you guys to picturing about their how the company make the information marketing information system. Well, it is from me. And the next one for the next week, we have assignment 3, marketing information system. I will send 4 article about the marketing information system, and please one group to explain the article. Yeah, one article for one group, and please use a PowerPoint presentation to assist you in explaining your topic, your article choice. Okay, thank you very much for the attention. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.